Cinelli Pressure Road Bike Review.
But before we start, please support us by pressing the like and subscribe buttons, so that we can continue to provide the latest information about motorcycle news and update. Also turn on the bell button to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you.
Launched at the end of last year, the Cinelli Pressure is, according to the Italian brand, a newborn Cinelli aerodynamic racing frame that integrates anything possible. It's fair to say Cinelli invented the aerodynamic frame. Its iconic laser, launched in 1981, was years ahead of its time and still influences bike design now. But Cinelli has gone back 2 years earlier to 1979 for its latest aero bike's inspiration. The Pressure name is taken from Clash bass player Paul Simonon's Fender Precision, famously photographed mid-smash on the cover of the London Calling album, and under the bottom bracket shell is a replica of the sticker on the bass. Yes, an unusual mix of punk and road cycling, but well done Cinelli for sticking 2 fingers up at bikes called Aero Race SL. Back in the garage with our BS detector, I know, wrong Clash album, we discovered that the Pressure is open mold, i.e. not Cinelli's own design. We asked Cinelli about it at the time of the bike's launch, and this was the answer. Our R&D department has been working on an aero frame project for quite a while, but a full development on our own was not proportional to Cinelli's size, in terms of investment and market. So Pressure is the result of a shared project, together with our supplier. We say that's fair enough. Regardless of who owns the mold, the 990 grams monocoque frame, which is made from Toray T700 carbon fiber, is designed to be aerodynamic, with wind drag further reduced by end-to-end internal routing of all cables. Cinelli has used FSA's ACR system of routing all cables internally through the steerer tube with none visible at the front end at all. You don't need us to tell you that although it looks super clean, it's not so straightforward to work on. The seat post clamp bolt is cleverly hidden under the rear of the top tube, and that works well. Much better than the type that's covered by a, usually wonky, rubber boot. Cinelli hasn't gone punk with the geometry. The size M has a stack-reach ratio of exactly 1.4, which is in line with race bikes such as the Giant TCR Advanced, if not slightly more aggressive. The average is around 1.44. The chainstays are the classic 410mm, the wheelbase 990mm. The seat tube is at 73.5 DEG and the head tube angle is a stable 72 DEG. Okay, it's a real mixed bag here and risks turning the cheeky little smiley behind the fork crown into a frowny, but clearly this UK-only spec has a target price point to hit. The group set is based on Ultegra, but the chainset is a cheaper FSA Gossamer Compact and the STIs are non-series Shimano. It's probably the Vision Team 30 aluminium deep section wheels that save the most money, but, as is always the way, add the most weight. On the scales these weighed 1,953 grams. The Schwalbe 1 TLE 28mm tires do their best to save the day, but at 9.4 kilograms it's going to take more than good quality rubber. For a punk bike it's heavy, man. The Cinelli winged saddle is comfortable. Saddles that aren't stubby or don't have cutouts are becoming rarer, but this one worked for me.
Thanks for watching.
Drop a like, leave a comment,
And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.